Hi guys, it's Tanya M and welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this makeup look that I'm actually wearing, and you'll see in the video I actually started off with something so simple, and then my camera died on me. So while I was waiting for the battery to charge, I was like, let me see what I could do. Oh, this is kind of plain. Let me add some glitter. Let me add some liner, and boom, here I come with this look right now. Which I think is really nice. Okay, also I did do an updated contouring and eyebrow tutorial, which I will place somewhere up here, the card, so you can click on it and go to if you want to watch that one first, because this is all connected to this video. Anyways, so as far as the products I used in the video, I kind of showed you. I did a combination of two palettes. Really, I only took one shadow from the one palette from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I used the medium blue from that palette. I also mainly used the Saharan 2 palette by JUVIA'S place. And lashes are some crazy lashes I got off of, what is it? It's like the app is called Cute, but it's like a partnership with Wish. So yeah, as far as foundation and whatnot, I used the Fenty foundation in the color 420. I also used her primer. Somebody told me to get both. It goes hand in hand. I'll be the judge of that. I'm actually going to do a wear test today. And then for the glitter, I used some glitter. They're called diamond crystals or something from the shopmissa.com website I always talk about. And they are very finely grained, like really tiny grains, which is really good for eye makeup because you don't want anything chunky going in your eye and it can scratch your eyes and all that. The liner I got from NYX. It is their Vivid Bright liners. They actually are really nice. No complaints from me. And I used a new eyeliner by Laura Mercier. It is their Tightline Cake eyeliner. I remember a long time ago when I first got into makeup, my go-to makeup channel was by Queen of Blending MUA, and she had another one by a different company, and I think they kind of discontinued it. And I found this one. I saw it on the Sephora website, and I was like, let me get that now, because I love the way how it's easy to apply and it glides. It's really nice. It's a matte finish and everything. What else can I talk about? Highlight was from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And yeah, oh yeah, lipstick is by, I'm not sure if I like it with this look, but I think it actually goes pretty well. It is from ColourPop, and it is the I Love Sarah 2 for ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the color Soft Tea with 2 eyes. So yeah, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also go over to my social media sites, which are Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'll leave all the handles in the description box below. Bye.